Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Consumer prices rose at a 0.6% rate in October on increases in the cost of food, electricity and gas. The October rate brings inflation for the last 12 months to 3.3%, which is below the 4 to 6% target set by the Bank of Jamaica. The central bank has expressed concern in the past about inflation running behind its target. Lower than programmed inflation signals that the economy is performing below its capacity. Senator Matthew Samuda is criticizing his own political administration for failing to complete the report on the causes of the financial meltdown of the 1990s. TVJ News highlighted the issue recently in a special business report where the finance minister indicated that the government is contemplating how it will make the report public. But speaking in the State of the Nation debate in the Senate today, Mr. Samuda expressed disappointment that the FinSAC report was not yet complete.
Mr. President, I wish to pause again in this analysis and chastise the government that I'm indeed a part of, supportive of and generally proud of. However, as it relates to the FinSAC report and the utter tragedy of its non-completion, I am genuinely disappointed. We owe it to the country to complete it and make it available for review. I will leave that there for the time being.
Over the last 10 years, the government spent more than $150 million on the FinSAC Commission of Inquiry. Since 2009, the Commission has promised to release the findings of its report, but those promises have gone unfulfilled. The Commission was tasked with reviewing the operation of FinSAC in relation to delinquent borrowers. We go now to currency trading, and the Jamaican dollar continued to strengthen today against the U.S. currency, selling for $140.39. The Canadian dollar $105.98. The pound closed at $180.31, and the euro for $155.04. Now, the JSE index lost 4,693 points today, while the junior market index gained less than a point. Among the winners were iCreate, Mayberry Investments, ISP Finance Services, Proven Investments US Dollar Shares, and Lasco Distributors. On the losing side were Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Jamaica Stock Exchange, T-Tech, Main Event Entertainment Group, and Pulse Investments. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.